Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to use voice commands with Alexa on your JVC Smart TV. To use voice commands with Alexa, you only have to make sure that your remote control is fully paired with your TV. So go to your device's settings by navigating to the gear icon on the right side of your home screen and then scroll down to Remotes and Bluetooth Devices menu. Here select Voice Remotes with Alexa and make sure that you have a voice remote with Alexa on the list. This is your remote control. Now, in order to start using your Alexa assistant, you're gonna have to press and hold the Alexa button right here, which it's always the blue button on your remote control, and then just speak into your remote control as if it was a microphone. And you can ask Alexa to, for example, what's the weather like today?
I'm not sure where you are. For future reference.
What's the weather like today in Berlin?
In Berlin, Germany, it's -1 degree Celsius with mostly clear skies.
Okay, and we can also ask Alexa to open apps menu. Or we can ask Alexa, play Harry Potter.
Here's Harry Potter on L'école des Sorciers.
So yeah, basically you just hold down the blue button on your remote control and then you speak into your remote control, and this way you can speak with your Alexa, ask her to do stuff for you, to watch videos for you, to open different menus on your TV, different applications, etc. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.